Good morning, y'all. Okay, bear with the noise. Next door is a giant pickup that's a welder pickup, so it's a little loud. So if you hear that, my apologies. If you can't hear it, well, that's good because you're old. No, that's not a joke. I'm joking. Okay, I want to say thank you so much for the support that I got yesterday. From my video. I know it's kind of a murky water going in there. I guess he's revving it up. It's kind of, you know, but y'all responded to it really well, and I so much appreciate that. Because I think we all need to strive to get better in our world. And so every now and then when I find a journal prompt that would work for some of y'all, I wanted to share it. The other thing was somebody had mentioned a bullet journal, and I watched the video and I'm like, bullet journals I don't think would work for me because I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anything to do. But it would work in the anxiety department. Be like, okay, this I had some anxiety right here. What caused that anxiety? Stuff like that. I don't know how exactly I would put it together. I don't really know. And then check off my list and stuff. But what I did is I went down to the dollar store about a month ago or whatever and got one of these student planners. And let me take this off. And each day has this big old this. So what I do is I have it clipped open to the page that it is. Like this page, you know, I put what my projects were that I have that I need to get done before I start anything else. And so that's a little reminder, okay, I need to get some of this done, and that helps keep things rolling. You know, a lot of times, you know, I'll put the appointments, you know, or whatever it may be. And it also has, let me find that page real quick. It also has the big calendar. But then it has the little pages too. And that's kind of where I put my things that need to be done, or thoughts I may have had for a channel idea or something, you know. Daisy, please go lay down. So, just kind of has that little, it's kind of like my brain. And I have a board over here that's a whiteboard, and it has all my medications, doctors, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, if you don't understand what something is, or you need to know something, then look in this book, because in the back is numbers and stuff like that. And it's called the answer book. I put answers. Because if you don't know, here's the book. So I think that really helps me, because it's a calendar and a place where I can go boom, 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 boom. So I want something a little more creative than that, but I know y'all are like, quit saying you're not creative and blah. Y'all, when it comes to really cool decorating art stuff, I can't do it. I don't know how to do it, and I can't make my journals look pretty, and that's where I kind of get frustrated, because I'm like, mine don't look that good. And I know I should never compare what my journal looks compared to somebody else, because they may be a renowned world artist, and I'm just I don't know. So it's just, I need to stop that negative behavior, because it doesn't matter what it looks like. As long as I'm happy with it, as long as it helped me take the anxiety away, or the stress or whatever, then that's all that should matter, really. Can you please go lay down? I wanted to share, I was working on my page, on my channel, and I just happened to notice the numbers, and I was like, what? When did this happen? Supposedly, according to YouTube, I have 323,000 views. So if you're viewing me, I sure do appreciate it. If you're here just to hate watch, thank you. I appreciate that too. And I've somehow along the way have gotten 1,646 subscribers. That's a lot. That is a lot. Not to a lot of channels that are like a drop in the bucket, but for my channel, that's a lot. And I'm not sure when we got that high, but let me tell you, I appreciate y'all. I may not be able to talk to y'all one-on-one or see y'all You know, I've got my regular people that I see all the time, but those ones that are in the background just watching, I appreciate you too. That means a lot. It's kind of crazy that I have numbers that high for as small as channels I am, but I'll take it, sure. I don't know what we're doing with it, but we're gonna take it. So, anyway, that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna try to finish up knee high. I can't show you the pattern, but somebody will get all butthurt. But I've started the blanket right here. This is the quilt, and yes, there's a booby right there, and hashtag not bothered to pull it out. So I really like this one. I don't know. I did a DMC conversion on it, and it never works out right. Whenever you're trying to use the thread they want you to use, I don't know, it never works out. Because they want us to use GAST. Wait, I'm not really sure which one that is. General Arts, maybe? I don't know. And WDW. I don't know. And I don't know if those... The reason I don't use those is, one, they're expensive as hell. Number two, I don't know if they fade or bleed or whatever. And I know DMC doesn't bleed. And I don't know if these guys would bleed, because it takes me so long to do a project, and then I go to iron it or whatever and cause wet, and then it all bleeds into a mess. Then I may be really pissed off, because I put a lot of work in that, and then it becomes a mess. So anyway, not 100% happy, but it is what it is, and I'll take it, because progress is progress, right? Right. Alright, y'all take care. Have a wonderful day.